Hello there, friends of beautiful wall design. I am Ben, and today we're going to give you our pro tips so that you have some insider knowledge on how to make hanging your wallpaper easy. For a perfect wallpapering result, note the batch number on the wallpaper insert when you buy your wallpaper. This will tell you whether the rolls of wallpaper were produced in different batches. When wallpapering a continuous wall surface, you should only use wallpaper rolls with the same batch number. Otherwise, you may notice slight but visible colour deviations. There is nothing more annoying than when you are short a length of wallpaper when you get to the end, or your wallpaper is too short. You will have to paste on a piece of wallpaper afterwards. Our tip: measure your wall beforehand to calculate your wallpaper requirements. Then add 5 to 10 centimeters to each roll of wallpaper so that it doesn't end up being too short. Anything that is too long, you simply cut off later with a craft knife. Below the video, we have a link to show you how to calculate exactly how many rolls of wallpaper you are going to need. The blades on your craft knife should always be razor sharp. The softer the wallpaper gets, the more difficult it becomes to cut at the edges, and it can also fray, which just ends up looking messy. To be on the safe side, make a note of the item and batch number. It's best to keep the insert so that you can always buy another roll if necessary. Got some wallpaper left? Keep them for later or put them to a good use. Then you are not only sustainable but also creative. How about a DIY project, for example? Your old chest of drawers will definitely look better with a bit of upcycling. There you have it, dear wallpaper friends. That's it for today from our studio at AS Create. There are more videos about wall design on our channel. Just subscribe and get working on your walls. 5 pro tips for wallpapering. Make a note of the batch number.